Hey everyone, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how you can actually get QR code on PayPal. So let's just dive right into the video, but before that make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now easily donate to our channel. So that is going to be super amazing if you actually do that. Alright, so we have a couple of steps in here to get your QR code. So the first thing is you need to head over to click and pay and get paid at the top of your account. Then you are going to be clicking on QR code under the accept payments. Then click generate your QR code. Then click download your QR code, and then you can easily print your QR code as well. So we have now our QR code available in our gallery. We can share it anytime. We can simply distribute it among various people so they can make our payments. And yeah, so that's how easily you can get your QR code. If you found this video interesting, make sure to head over to the link in the description to easily donate to our channel. As well, you can subscribe as it's going to be supporting us, and to make sure to head over to Tutorials Hub for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of videos.